Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to Grenada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply any kind of visa for a particular country, the very first thing you should do is to check whether based on your nationality, duration, and purpose, do you really need a visa or not? Because many times you may not even need it, right? And if you determine that you need it, then based on the embassy, mission, or consulate that is covering your residential area, you should look for the requirements because based on your locality, requirements could be different. For example, I have opened Embassy of Grenada USA site. So they have information about visitor under consular services. So the very first thing, who needs a visa? So if you open that link, they have opened. So first see for your country that do you really need it? So for example, if you're an Indian citizen, you don't need a visa. But if you're from Indonesia, you need prior to arrival. And any other condition like number of days, some countries can get at port of entry also. Okay. So in this way, you can check it yourself. Second thing is now whichever it falls, okay, prior to arrival or port of entry application or prior to arrival means when you are gonna apply. So these are the requirements prior to arrival. You need to fill it like I'll be showing you the form as well. 6 weeks prior, you need to do blue and black ink, 10 business days processing time, 6 months passport, fully completed, two recent passport pictures, one certified by justice peace or public notary, fee they have given, how to pay, that is also they have given, and documents to be submitted. Passport, visa application form, passport valid for 6 months, two recent photograph, one money order for visa fee. Okay. And where to submit. So again, it varies based on your location, no doubt. So this is your visa application form. Surname, given name, date of birth, country of birth, nationality, marital status, date of arrival, signature, and this is official use. So that's very simple, just one page form. And this is the photo to be notarized, authenticated that was required. Okay, so this we have gone through. Now coming to go for port of entry, like how those who need port of entry, what they will do. They have given the fee also. Yeah. Complete this. Still, you need to bring complete visa application form, but it can be done at the port of entry. Perfect. Pre-clearance letter. Okay, fine. And mode of payment. So the requirements have been given here, and even visa application form. Let's see how big this one is. This is also same, so no changes. Okay, it's very simple. All right, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about it. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.